Using T3's preventative maintenance tracking means you can stay on top of your routine service checks for your fleet. The T3 system will monitor your fleet and auto-generate a work order based on the interval threshold you create. To get started, select Company and T3's fleet, and then Account. First, you'll create a maintenance group by selecting New Group. Give the maintenance group a name. Select Add Service Interval. Select between utilization, time, or combination intervals. Complete the interval form. Indicate the utilization period for your service interval. These values will pre-fill based on utilization entered and can be altered. Select Add once you are done. Select Save. The maintenance group is created and is ready to assign to an asset. Locate an asset under Map. Select History, and then Service. Find your maintenance group, and then select Assign. Once the asset is assigned to the maintenance group, the preventative maintenance tracking begins. Review the interval percentage bar to understand how close you are to service maintenance. Use T3's preventative maintenance tracking system to make sure your fleet service is up to date.